So, magandang umaga po uli. So, on behalf of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, I would like to welcome you to this important workshop on accounting methodologies for plastic footprint reduction under the Extended Producer Responsibility Act of 2022.
Ang tanong lang, ma'am, meron ba sa workshop na to, or baka siguro request na lang din, na dito sa workshop mapag-usapan din how to measure and verify yung attribution of IEC activities towards doon sa kanilang compliance?
I think we would be happy to hear kung ano na talaga yung mga specific strategies that you're implementing that is actually contributing to that. And yeah, I think it's really up for discussion.
The partnership with Plastic Reboot, with EMB, with the FDA is very critical. Incidentally, we're moving forward, albeit very slowly, in the aspect of regulatory development.
Kahit sinurse mo yan ng Malaysia o sinurse mo siya locally, pag pinasok ko yan sa manufacturing line, pareho lang ang treatment niyan. Ang tawag dyan, recycled content. So para wala na hong masyadong diskusyon, wala na tayong palilipatin pang mayorya o minorya, pagsamahin na lang natin siya.
There has to be local levels, local laws that regulates a sort of certification, not necessarily ISO. And because of course we do believe in hope with the DTI, so if they can provide us with the labeling certification that we don't have to acknowledge or undergo an ISO or a CyClass or whatever international standards, we would still prefer that would be a local certification.
Still a long way to go, but we're very happy with the partnerships. We're excited with the policy conversations with the FDA, and we're very excited with the workshop that we are doing today, because we will be approving everything that we will agree on today.
Our mission is to support not only the EPR law, but to help support the Philippine economy in terms of promoting environmental stewardship.
The goal of refilling is to reduce plastic footprint and eventually reducing the production of plastics.
We will have to shift our machines in our factories, whether that's owned by our company.
It's very clear also from today's discussion na businesses like you, that's why you're all here, want to invest in upstream innovations. But for these investments to be sustainable, they must be recognized to be part of your EPR compliance. And that's why we're here. And we're thankful na si DNR is already starting this process of gathering our inputs.
We therefore count on your expertise, collaboration, and commitment as we work together to strengthen EPR implementation and accelerate the Philippines' transition toward a more circular, resource-efficient, and sustainable future. Thank you, and I wish everyone a productive and meaningful workshop.